The major components of the PGM FI engine's air intake system are the intake control system, the air cleaner, the resonator, the IAR, the intake air resonator control system, the IAB, the intake air bypass control system, the throttle body, and the air boost valve. Engines of each model will have an intake air system that consists of a combination of any of these components. The air cleaner housing, which is the entry point of the intake air system, has two individual air inlets. One of them is fitted with a valve. The ECM controls this valve. When the engine speed drops below a certain speed, the valve is closed. This allows the resonator to effectively reduce the intake air noise. The air cleaner removes dirt and foreign objects from the air being drawn into the engine. The resonator is a resonance box provided to reduce the noise generated by the air being drawn into the air intake system. The IAR, the intake air resonator control system, is different from the normal resonator in that it contains an ECM-controlled valve at the inlet. This valve is opened when the engine is operating in a specific speed range. Not only does it reduce the intake air noise, it also affects the intake chamber located downstream in the throttle body to increase the engine output at high speeds. The IAB, the intake air bypass control system, is located in the downstream portion of the throttle body. It consists of two intake paths with mutually different lengths and an ECM-controlled valve. One of the air passages is a bypass passage, and it incorporates a valve. The bypass passage valve remains closed at low engine speeds, and it opens up when the engine speed rises above a certain level. This boosts both the torque at low speeds and the power output at high speeds. The throttle body contains a throttle valve that is controlled by the throttle pedal operation of the driver. This valve controls the amount of air being drawn into the engine. As a result, the engine speed is controlled. The throttle body also contains the idle adjusting screw, fast idle thermovalve, and the IAC, the intake air control valve. This particular engine has a combination of a fast idle thermovalve and an EACV, an electronic air control valve, as its intake air control system. Other types of engines may use a RACV, a rotary air control valve, which combines the functions of these two components. The air boost valve is operated by the intake manifold vacuum via a diaphragm. It opens the bypass air passage from the air cleaner to the intake manifold. It enhances the starting ability and the power output under high loads.